Hello everyone, welcome back to Entirely. Today we will see NCERT solution of class 12 mathematics exercise 5.1 question number 32. This is Komal here. So in question number 32 we have to show that the function defined by fx is equal to cos x is a continuous function. So again this is a composition of two functions where f is equal to goh, where gx is mod x and hx is cos x. Then g of x would be g of hx, then g what is hx is cos x, so g of cos x. Now gx is mod x, so g of cos x would be mod cos x, which is equal to fx. So first we have to prove that mod x and cos x are continuous functions. So first we are showing for the gx part. So gx is equal to mod x can be written as gx is equal to minus x if x is less than 0, gx is equal to x if x is greater than 0. So therefore g is defined for every real number. Now case 1, when c is less than 0, then gc is equal to minus c and limit extending to c gx is equal to limit extending to c minus x. Now just passing the limit we are getting minus c. So therefore limit of the function is equal to value at the function. Therefore g is continuous at all points such that x is less than 0. Now case 2, when c is greater than 0, then g of c is equal to c and limit extending to c gx is equal to limit extending to c x, which is equal to c. Therefore limit of the function is equal to value at the function. Therefore g is continuous at all points such that x is greater than 0. Now case 3, when c is equal to 0, then g of c is equal to g of 0 is equal to 0. Now left hand limit extending to 0 minus gx is equal to limit extending to 0 minus x is equal to 0. Right hand limit extending to 0 plus gx is equal to limit extending to 0 plus x is equal to 0. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to evaluate the function. Therefore g is continuous at x is equal to 0. So from all these observations we can conclude that g is continuous at all points. Now another function hx. Hx is equal to cos x. So hx is defined for every real number. Now we will show its continuity. So h of c is equal to cos c. For limit extending to c, hx is equal to limit extending to c cos x is equal to limit extending to 0 cos c plus h. Now using CD formula, then using algebra, we are left with cos c. So limit extending to c hx is equal to hc, therefore hx is equal to cos x is a continuous function. So it is known that for every real valued function g and h such that g of h is defined at c, if g is continuous at c and f is continuous at gc, then f of g is continuous at c. Therefore fx is equal to cos x, mod cos x is a continuous function.